Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and solve, discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, that is quadrilateral, and in previous class we take and solve some important questions based on quadrilaterals and proving them. Now in today's class we take and solve some other important questions based on quadrilateral based on quadrilateral. So we take a very important question which is very important for you and your upcoming examinations. Look in the given figure. In the given figure, DE and F are respectively the midpoints of the side, respectively the midpoints of the sides BCCA and AB. BCCA and AB of an equilateral triangle ABC. Of an equilateral triangle ABC. Of an equilateral triangle ABC. Prove that DEF is also equilateral triangle. Prove that DEF is also equilateral triangle. Let's see its solution. Dear student, and the figure is first of all ABC. Look, ABC is an equilateral triangle according to question, and DEF are the midpoints of the sides BC. D is the midpoint of side BC. E is the midpoint of side CA, and F is the midpoint of side AB respectively of an equilateral triangle. And we have to show that DEF is also an equilateral triangle. DEF means we just join all the midpoints. So we have to show that, means to prove triangle DEF is an equilateral, that is DE is equal to EF is equal to DF respectively. Equilateral triangle means that all of its sides are equal to each other. Okay, now look, since you know that the segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is half of the third side. So first of all, since we know that the segment joining the midpoints of the segment joining the midpoints of two sides of two sides of a triangle, the segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is half of the third side. Is half of the third side. Okay, that is, now look, that is D and E are the midpoint of BC and AC. D and E are the midpoint of AC and BC. So D is equal to half of AB. Then D is equal to half of AB, na? So that is D and E are the midpoints of BC and AC. BC and AC respectively. BC and AC respectively. That is, the line segment D is equal to half of the third side. So DE is equal to half of the third side AB. Half of the third side AB. Similarly, dear students, look, similarly, D and F are the midpoints of the side BC and AB respectively. So the line segment DF is equal to half of the third side AC. Similarly, DF is equal to half of the AC. Half of the AC. And now look, E and F are the midpoints of the sides AC and AB respectively. So the line segment joining the midpoints of the other two sides, half of the third side. So the segment EF is equal to half of BC, and EF is equal to half of BC. We take combining equation number first. Okay, we take equation number first according to that questions or according to theorem. So this is, we can write in this way. Okay, students, now look, since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, so its all sides are equal to each other. That this implies that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, or we divided by 2 both sides, all sides, or we can write AB by 2 is equal to BC by 2 is equal to CA by 2. Now using equation 1, half of AB we can write DE, half of BC we can write EF, and half of AC we can write DF. We can write DF. Thus, all of its sides are equal to each other. This implies that we can write triangle DEF is an equilateral triangle, hence proved. Okay, dear students, so in this way you can solve that type of question. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve all the question of your syllabus. Now we take and solve some other important question based on quadrilateral. Let's see. take a very important question, and the question is, in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. E and F are midpoints of the E and F are the midpoints of the sides AB and CD respectively. Of the sides AB and CD respectively. AB and CD respectively. Prove that the line segment AF line segment AF and CE trisect the diagonal BD. Trisect the diagonal BD. Now let's see the solution. First of all, according to ABCD is a parallelogram, it is given in our question. Now look. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram which is given in our question. Okay, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. E and F are the midpoints of the side AB and CD. E and F, here E and F are the midpoints of side AB and CD. Okay, E and F are the midpoints of the side AB and CD respectively according to question, and we have to show that the line segment AF and CE, okay, we join CE and AF trisects the diagonal BD, and it is given that P and Q. This is P, this is Q. And to prove what I prove, look, we have to show that trisect means BP is equal to PQ is equal to QD. This is proved that. We have to show that result. Okay, now let's see its solution. Look, first of all, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now clear everyone? Acha. A is the midpoint of since, look, E is the midpoint of AB. Okay, that is A is equal to half of AB. Similarly, F is the midpoint of CD, so CF is equal to half of CD. Now clear? Now since ABCD is a parallelogram, and by the concept of the property of parallelogram, in parallelogram the diagonal opposite sides are parallel as well as equal to each other. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, is what? Is a parallelogram, na? That is AB is equal to CD as well as AB parallel to CD. So AB is equal to CD. Now look, AB is equal to CD. Now we divide it by 2 both sides. So half of AB is equal to half of CD, and look, AB parallel to CD. This implies that AE also parallel to CF. That is AE also parallel to CF. Now, using above relation, just we have to write कि half of AB is equal to AE is equal to, and half of CD is equal to what? CF. So we have to show that AE is equal to CF as well as AE parallel to CF. Thus we can say that कि AECF is also a parallelogram. Because of here we have to show that कि opposite sides of that quadrilateral AECF are equal as well as parallel to each other. So this implies that we can say that AECF is a parallelogram. We have to show that कि AECF is a parallelogram. Now clear, yes friends? Now look. Now Now look, here we have to show that AECF is a parallelogram. This implies that if AECF is a parallelogram, then AF parallel to EC also. This implies that AF parallel to EC. AF parallel to EC, this implies that QF parallel to PC. We can write this friends, because of AF parallel to EC, this implies that QF also parallel to PC. QF also parallel to PC. Now we take triangle DPC. Now in triangle DPC, we have QF parallel to PC and F is the midpoint of CD. F is the midpoint of CD. Then by the converse of midpoint theorem and then by converse of midpoint theorem, Q is also the midpoint of PD. Okay, Q is the midpoint of BD. Q is the midpoint of BD. sorry, PD. Q is the midpoint of PD is there, na? Q is the midpoint of PD. That is PQ is equal to, that is PQ is equal to QD. We take equation number 1. We take this one, equation number 1. Now clear? Similarly, look, similarly, in triangle ABQ, in triangle ABQ, AF parallel to EC, parallel to EC. This implies that AQ also parallel to EP. AQ also parallel to EP. Okay, AQ also parallel to EP. And E is the midpoint of AB, and E is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of A, B. Then again, by the converse of midpoint theorem, that is P is the midpoint of BQ, of BQ. That is VP is equal to PQ. Take equation number 2. Take equation number 2. Now using equation 1 and 2. Okay, look. Now using one and two. Look, BP is equal to PQ is equal to QD. Okay, equal to BP is equal to PQ is equal to QD. Hence proved. It means that your strength की AF and EC trisects the diagonal BT. Trisects means that divides the given that into 3 equal parts, means कि BP is equal to PQ is equal to QD. This is the one of the most important questions. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So first you revise all the question and do more and more practices. Thus, in next class we take and solve some other important questions based on quadrilaterals and complete the chapters. Okay, now thanks to all.